Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling Narrator in Windows 10. Narrator is a built-in accessibility feature that reads text aloud, making it easier for individuals with visual impairments to navigate and use their computers. So, let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. In the search bar, type Control Panel and click on the Control Panel app. Step 3. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on the Ease of Access Center option. This will open up the Ease of Access Center settings. Step 4. Under the Explore All Settings section, click on the Use the Computer Without a Display option. This will open the settings related to using your computer without a visual display. Step 5. Under the Hear Text Read Aloud section, check the box next to Turn on Narrator. This will enable the Narrator feature in Windows 10. Step 6. Press the OK button to save your changes and exit the settings window. By enabling Narrator, you can now have your text read aloud to you, providing a more accessible and inclusive computing experience. Whether you have visual impairments or prefer to have text read aloud, Narrator is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance your Windows 10 experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.